I've always been passionate about pour-over coffee. You know, the whole ritual of it. Grinding the beans, pouring the water, and every single time, it's like a new flavor adventure. But let's face it, sometimes it feels like I'm as clumsy as a bear, trying to control the temperature, getting the right flow. It's enough to drive anyone a little, well, crazy. I've been thinking, are there a lot of pour-over coffee lovers out there who are facing the same challenges as me? And can technology be the answer to all these dilemmas? I found a coffee master from Taiwan who I learned a lot from and helped me. That's when I went on a deep dive into research and experimentation. It was quite a journey. Countless late nights, even more coffee, and a whole lot of trial and error. Now, we have made this a coffee machine that can replicate the flavor I like. But I'm not stopping there. I see this product packed with even more possibilities. I wanted to be able to know my caffeine intake and also save our preferred recipes, making pour-over coffee simpler. And can clean itself automatically, freeing up my hands. But it's gonna be more than just a machine. It is an invitation to join a global community of pour-over enthusiasts. Imagine sharing your brew recipes, learning from coffee lovers, even masters around the world, and creating endless flavor combinations right from your own kitchen.